Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the megaphone and grow a garden to game app Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to purchase the megaphone from the gear shop and it cost 8k shekels. After you purchase it from here from this NPC, you're going to equip the megaphone from your inventory. As you can see, I have already owned this megaphone, and let me go back to my garden. And I'm going to hold the megaphone. I'm gonna go to the gear item and I'm going to select the megaphone. And before you use the megaphone, you're going to add the megaphone ID or megaphone code. Each code will give you different sound, and this is the sound or the music for raining taco. This is the ID, and after you put the ID, you're going to click anywhere. Okay, guys, and that's how you can use the megaphone and grow a garden to game up Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.